Charles Manson, A History, Part 3, Future Parole and Reassessment of Mental Health. At the 2012 parole hearing, it was decided that Manson would not be reconsidered for release until 2027, by which time he would have been 92 years old. However, in more recent analyses, some researchers have begun to question his original mental health diagnoses. Instead of schizophrenia, some experts now believe Manson may have had bipolar disorder combined with psychopathy, which could have contributed to his not nice actions and ongoing harmful behavior.